that is known as lattice. A regular arrangement of constituent particles in three-dimensional. Now, many times I am saying the word constituent particles. These constituent particles can be atom, ion, or molecule. Whenever I will say constituent particle, you need to remember it can be atom, it can be ion, or it can be molecule. So atoms such as Na, K, Cl. What is meant by ions? Na plus, K plus, Cl minus. What is molecule? Molecule means when two or more atoms comes together. So it can be NaCl, KCl, KBr. Okay. So whenever I will say in this chapter constituent particles, you need to remember it can be atom, it can be ion, or it can be molecule. Okay. Our point is lattice, and I said regular three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particle is lattice. Suppose if I take a constituent particles, and if I join these constituent particles here, I will get a cube, and if I will repeat it, I will get another cube. Once more I will repeat it. So again I will get a cube. So regular arrangement of this constituent particles in three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means 3D. And this single point. This single point is called as lattice point. This single point is called as lattice point. And the smallest repeating pattern. So this will continually it will repeat. And the smallest repeating pattern. This is the smallest repeating pattern. It is called as unit cell. If in exam it is asked what is an unit cell, so you will say the smallest repeating pattern of the constituent particle is called as unit cell. Okay students, the smallest repeating pattern is called as unit cell. Okay, now there are different types of unit cell. So before going for different types of unit cell, we will see some basic things. So students, the first is SCC, simple cubic crystal, or it is also called as primitive. Primitive means simple. Primitive means simple. Now what is this? And generally in this chapter we are going to deal with cubes. Okay. So the first one is SCC. Whenever you see SCC, you will say it as simple cubic crystal. You will say it as simple cubic crystal. Now what is the simple cubic crystal? Okay, if this is a cube, when the 8 constituent particles when these 8 constituent particles are at 8 corners. Now I represent this constant particle as a point, but actually when I am representing it as a point, it is actually the center of the circle. It is the center of circle. So the 8 constant particles are at 8 corner, and when 8 constant particles are at 8 corners, we'll say it as simple cubic crystal. Simple cubic crystal. Now the next one is BCC, body center cubic crystal. Now what is body center cubic crystal? 8 constituent particles at 8 corners and one in the center. One in the center of that body, that is called as BCC, body center cubic crystals. Again 8 constituent particles at 8 corner and one in the center. Okay. Now the last one is FCC, face center cubic crystal. Face center cubic crystal. In face center cubic crystal, 8 constituent particles are 8 corners and 6 in the 6 face. What is 6 in 6 face? Do you know a cube is having how many face? This already I have explained. You are playing the game Ludo. There are 6 face. So this is the upper face, down, this third, fourth, this is front, fifth, and this is back 6. So when 8 constituent particles are at 8 corner and 6 at 6 face, we'll say it as FCC. FCC means what? Face center cubic crystal. Yes students, face center cubic crystal. Okay. Another one more we have, that is end center cubic crystal. We have end center cubic crystal. What is this end center cubic crystal? 8 constituent particles at 8 corner and 2 at the end. 8 constituent particles are at 8 corner, 2 on the opposite face. So this is upper face and this is down face. Okay students, again we'll repeat. Yes, the first one is SCC, simple cubic crystal. What is simple cubic crystal? Yes, if I draw a cube, the 8 constituent particles will be at 8 corners. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. And I said I am representing this constituent particle as a point, but this is a circle. So I'll draw a circle here. So how much part of this circle belongs to this unit cell? That means this much part. Okay, so I can definitely see that half of the circle is outside this unit cell. So I'll draw only half of the circle. Okay, and out of that half, this much part is in this unit cell. How much part of this it is? Now you see, if this is first part, this is second, and as it is circle, see here I will show you. If this is a circle, this is first, second, and the back one third, fourth. So this is first, second, back third, and fourth. So it will be 1/4 of half circle. So if you take the complete circle, it will be 1/8. How it will be 1/8? 1, 2, back third, then fourth, and the rest half circle, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So it will be only 1/8 part. And like this, how many constituent particles are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that total 8 circles. So 1/8 of 8 will be 1. That means what? If I draw a circle and if I'll make 8 parts of it, for this constituent particles only this much is occupied, means 1/8 for this, again 1/8 for the third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Means we can form a single circle out of this. So if in SCC a rank is asked, then you'll say 1. How 1? 1/8 of 8. 1/8 of 8. Okay. Now we'll move for the next one, that is BCC. That is BCC, body center. Okay students, you also draw with me. Yes, 8 constituent particles at 8 corners and 1 in the center. And as you know, now only we have seen what is the contribution of the corners, that is 1/8 of 8. Okay, and here one extra is there in the center, and the center constituent particles will not be shared by anyone. So plus 1. So 1/8 of 8 is 1 plus 1. So total how many circles can be formed? 2 circles can be formed. So if they ask you what is the rank of BCC, you'll say 2. How rank of BCC is 2? 1/8 of 8 for the corner and 1 in the center. So in BCC rank is 2. Okay students. Now the third one, that is FCC. In FCC, 8 constituent particles are at 8 corners and 6 at 6 different phases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you know, at corner, that is 1/8 of 8, that is 1. And in phase, suppose this is the upper phase and this is a constant particles. So these constant particles here I am keeping. So half of the constant particles will be inside that cube and half will be upside. So half part will be of this cube and the half part will be of upper cube. Means contribution is half. And like this, how many phases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 phases. So it will be 3. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So if rank of FCC is asked, the rank of FCC is 4. The rank of FCC is 4. Okay students. Now we'll move for the next one, that is ECC, Ale Center. ECC. What is ECC? Eight constituent particles are at 8 corners. 8 constituent particles are at 8 corners. And 2 at the opposite face. You can take any face. I am taking the upper face and the down face. As you know, contribution of corners is 1/8 of 8. That is 1. And at the face, the contribution is half. And how many phase we have taken? Only two. One and this second. So two phase, that will be 1. So 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So rank of ECC, that is end center, is, rank of ECC, it is 2. 1 plus 1. Okay students. Now students, next point is very important. It is, if the question is asked how many types of crystal systems are there, then there are 7 types of crystal system. How many types? 7 types of crystal system and 14 types of Bravais lattice. And what is this Bravais lattice? Now I am going to explain you. Okay, and with a short trick I am going to explain you how to remember all these 14 Bravais lattice and 7 type of crystal system. Before this, if you take this cube, now as you know, volume of cube is L cube, but we are going to take notation A, so it will be A cube. So this distance is A, this distance is A, and this height is also A. Suppose this height is A, I'll take it, I'll extend it. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Instead of taking notations all three A, I am taking A, B and C. So angle between A and B, suppose this is alpha, this is beta, and this angle is gamma. So here we have 3 edge length, that is length A, this length B, this length C. The angle between A and B is alpha, B and C is beta, and C and A is gamma. So by changing this edge length and changing this angle, we can form 7 type of unit cell. How many type of unit cell? 7 type of unit cell and 14 types of Bravais lattice. With a short trick, I'll explain you how to remember this 7 type of unit cell and 14 types of Bravais lattice. So let us begin. So I'll put a heading crystal system. Crystal system. So I'll explain you what is the crystal system. So first column I'll make crystal system. Second, edge length. Third one, angle. And the last one is Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice. So there are 7 main type of crystal system, and I have made a simple short trick for this. You need to remember this C-Tor HMT. C-T-O-R, Tor HMT. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. Students, can you see it clear? I'll just check it. Yes, this is okay. So it is C2 or HMT. So this is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, monoclinic, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. And if you want to remember its edge length, so see the trick. Here we'll write A is equal to B, B is equal to C. That means what? All the three edge lengths are the same. Generally it happens in cubic. Correct? In cube, height, length and width, all three are same. So A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Here A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Here A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. Third one, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Okay students, first A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Second, A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. Third, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Now again I will repeat from the first. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. And the last one, again I will repeat this because total 6 are finished. We have 7. So again I will repeat this last one. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Okay students, this much you write it down. So edge length. Okay. Now we'll see this angle. First, alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is equal to 90. Alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is equal to 90. Second also same unit repeat. Alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is equal to 90. Even third one same. Alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is equal to 90. Okay, so the fourth you need to remember is alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, gamma is not equal to 90. Gamma is not equal to 90. So total 4 finished. Fifth one, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90, but gamma is 120. Gamma is 120. Next one, alpha beta is equal to 90, but gamma is not equal to 90. And the last one, alpha is not equal to beta, beta is not equal to gamma, gamma is not equal to 90. In your notes clearly I will mention this. Okay. Now what is this Bravais lattice? There are 14 types of Bravais lattice, and how you need to remember it is, you will start from the third one. Here you will write 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. This number you need to remember. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So these are of 3 types. Which 3 types? And we know the sequence. First one is SCC, simple cubic crystal. Second one is BCC, that is body center cubic crystal. Third one is FCC, that is face center cubic crystal. And last one is ECC, that is end center cubic crystal. So this cubic, it is of 3 types: SCC, BCC, FCC. This tetragonal, it is of 2 types: SCC, BCC. This is of 4 types: SCC, BCC, FCC and ECC. This is of only 1 type, that is SCC, which is also known as primitive. This is also SCC. But here you need to make one star. This is of two types, but this is direct first and the last. That is SCC and ECC. And the last one, it is of only one type, that is SCC. From this you can at least cover 6-7 pages of your board book. You see by the chart you can easily remember there are 7 types of crystal system, that is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. And there are 14 types of Bravais lattice. 14 type of Bravais lattice you see: 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this is 14. So there are 14 types of Bravais lattice. Okay students, did you understand this? Yes. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.